Hey guys, Abby here. Just wanted to give an update. I actually created a video yesterday. Today's Friday, but I created one on App Install Pro, my 1 week update. And then I got so busy, I forgot to upload it. I thought I had uploaded it and didn't publish it, and then I went to look and it wasn't even there. So I was like, whoops. Um, but yesterday I was in 1 week or whatever, and I had just hit 300. So my update yesterday was that I hit 300, and I was showing people different campaigns. I'm gonna be sharing all these campaigns. So like I wanted to show you guys, like, here I'm starting to test some things for people, and I'm going to find winning campaigns for my group of people who got in with me and give everybody the winning campaigns. So right now I'm sitting at close to 330 bucks. It's Friday, so I'm a week and a day in. Um, my goal is to really ramp this up and hit 400, so I hit another payout threshold. So I'm going to keep doing this. This isn't going to be a very long video. I'm just doing this to kind of update everybody. And basically the promotion of this ends on the 24th. So anybody who wants to get in, I'm still recommending, you get the $47 product. The first upsell is traffic, so it's $97, and you get $200 worth of traffic. And then the third upsell is a done for you, but you don't need that because you literally can do it yourself. So I'm only recommending the first two. You'll get $270 total in traffic, and you'll be ready to roll. I have not even spent, I didn't even spend that much to hit my first 200. And the goal I have with everybody who gets this product through me is to get you to $200 as fast as possible so that you can hit the threshold and get paid out within a net 30. That's the whole goal. So I'm actually, let's see, I'm going to just put my active campaigns up here right now. So if you can see right here, these ones, so starting right here and down, are ones I'm not running right now. So with this one, it was like a 15-cent offer. I ran it to a zone and an offer that I didn't know anything about. So I just tested a little bit, and it wasn't hitting. So I just, I spent $1. So I lost 85 cents. And then this one right now I'm running. I'm actually going to test this just a little bit more. I'm going to hang in there with it. Because it's a $2 payout. If I can spend another $5 and hit a few payouts, it will go into positive ROI. So I'm actually really patient. I think a lot of people are turning things off too quickly. You're getting too impatient. Sometimes things need thousands and thousands of clicks to really start ramping up the conversions. So I would say you'd want to be patient. And when you look at these, I'm only down 41 cents. I'm down $1.13. These are very minimal amounts to be down before we determine if we're going to start scaling them. So I would say just be patient. This is media buying, so we have to test things. But I'm going to be putting a lot towards this so that I can find winning campaigns, and my team of people can scale faster and let me do the testing for them. So if you're interested in the product, you can get it in the description below. And like I said, I recommend the first product and then the first upsell because of the traffic that you get. Now, a couple questions coming up. Your payouts right here. You have to hit 200, and then it is a net 30. So you have to wait 30 days for this. So yes, you may run out of traffic before you get a payout, but if you don't want to buy traffic, or you want to wait to see if you get paid, that's totally fine. As soon as you get paid, then you can use, $200. You have to, let's see, I'll show you. When you come over here and you hit this, you want to if you hit add funds, the package that they make you get is a $200 package. So every time you go to buy traffic, you do have to buy $200 at a time. So that's just, a big FYI. And you are buying traffic. So when you actually get this, this is media buying. You have to get in the mindset of this is going to take testing. These campaigns just aren't there to be there. And so I started doing testing, but I only tested with a couple bucks. So these ones, when I tested, I'm not testing anymore. These three right here, I'm not testing anymore because obviously they didn't work. I'm going to ride some of these ones out because I think they could turn. And you just have to do what you're comfortable with. These are all the ones that I'm running right now. All of these below here are out. I'm actually, this offer right here, I'm testing with a different zone. Obviously, I'm not showing the offer in the zones on here, but I am testing a couple different zones to see if one works better than the other. So, like, if this one hits, then it could send me into profit. So, like, I'm going to wait some of these out and see, if some of them grow. But I just want people to realize, like, this is real testing. You don't want to just throw things, up there, because if you don't know what you're doing, then just follow. They're giving us hot offers. Like, they gave us hot offers today, which I'm not going to obviously show them on here, but they gave us some to test. Now, I saw some people who actually, like, they set them up, and literally it was like 10 minutes later, it was like, oh, these are really rocking. And they were being sarcastic, and I'm just like, guys, you can't run something for like an hour or two and determine if it works. Like, you may have to run them 24 or 48 hours, run the entire budget, and then assess how it works. So I think patience, and then just like a lot of people, this, whatever the push for this product, like, they're closing this on Sunday or Monday. Whatever the date of the 24th is, they are closing it. They're going to then be able to refocus and do training with this and help people scale this. And that's what I want to do with everybody who comes in with me, is get in my private group, Facebook group, and let me share all the winning campaigns with you so that you can scale at whatever pace you want to grow. So with that, it's not a long video. It's just an update to, let you guys know I'm still doing it. I encourage you, if you're going to do that, or if you want to do this, to click the link and then come in my Facebook group where I can actually help you with campaigns. So anyway, we will see you guys. I will keep updating this. But once they close the doors, I'll probably only be doing the updates for the people in my group, because if they're not selling it anymore, I mean, there's no reason, to put videos up on this product. But anyway, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you guys on the next video.